Yo, what's going on everybody? My name is Josh and welcome to the Cycle Solutions YouTube channel. If you're new, consider subscribing. We'd love to have you as part of the community. Today we're here with co-owner of Cycle Solutions, Kimberly Waddell.
Hello everybody.
And we're going to be talking about our 2021 Black Friday sales and why you should buy now.
Cycle Solutions is your one-stop shop for upgrades and service. Cycle Solutions, Fort Myers, and CycleSolutions.com. Taking your bike from the street to the strip.
Before we get started, I'm going to give you guys a few reasons why now is the time to buy. The motorcycle industry, as well as many other industries, are experiencing supply shortages, price increases, as well as price gouging due to the aftermath of COVID. So right now is hands down the best time to buy. I'm going to turn this video over to Kim and she's going to do a quick product review on some of the great items we're going to have on sale.
Hi, my name is Kim Waddell. As Josh mentioned, I'll be doing a brief overview of all of our Black Friday sale products. I would like to mention that 80% of these products are American made, all made right here in the Grand USA, so that's important to us here at Cycle Solutions. I would also like to mention that we have financing available through our website. So you would be able to purchase any of these items. You have the 100-day same as cash option, or you can make payments over time. Again, that's through Snap Finance. Our 2021 Black Friday sales start November 24th and they run through the 29th, so that's Wednesday through Monday. The first product that I'm going to review is going to be the ThunderMax Auto Tune. This is an auto tuner that makes live changes as you ride, so you never outgrow it. It's great for any performance build that you're going to do. Again, $40 off for the ThunderMax Auto Tune. We've also got some Olin shocks, front and rear kits that are available. That's going to be part of our sale. All the Olin's is running $100 off. Olin's offers many levels of suspension for any budget. So they've got entry level and then they have all the way up to the fully adjustables. Same thing for the front fork kits. So those again will be $100 off for the Olin's off of our web pricing. The fueling dipstick is also $40 off on our website for the Black Friday sales. The dipstick, what it does is it helps the crankcase pressure vent. So it's going to help with any blow-by if you're experiencing any oil that's coming out of your breather. That product is designed to help with that. It's also a great product to use on a Milwaukee 8. We highly recommend that. Trask also makes a part that is similar to the fueling dipstick, but it is a tranny vent cover, so it helps the crankcase pressure vent as well. It's just a little different design, a little different piece. It's a little more expensive than the dipstick. The fueling dipstick runs at $279. The Trask vent is $349. Again, it's $40 off also. We like this. It's cleaner. It's nicer looking. You don't have to mess with a vent tube when you're working with checking your oil and that kind of stuff. But either one are fantastic, and we recommend every Milwaukee 8 having one of those products on their bike. The K&P oil filter is a product that we've offered for many years. We have Dave make different sizes for us. He offers the original S4 oil filter, which is available on our website, as well as the extended versions that you can only buy through Cycle Solutions. They aren't exclusive. What we like about this oil filter, it's washable and reusable. It's got a nice stainless steel filter on the inside. You can inspect your oil. If there's anything going on in there as far as metal shavings, you can hopefully head off any problems that you might have before it gets to be too traumatic as far as damage to your motorcycle. We do have the S69, which is the longer version, twice the cooling ability and the oil flow, as well as the standard S44 that we've offered for a long time. Those are all available on our website. As far as the compensator, we have the Dark Horse Man-O-War sprocket. That's part of our compensator Black Friday sale. We're running it $30 off. What we like about this sprocket is that it's rebuildable, so you can buy a rebuild kit. Maybe after 40,000 miles, it can be rebuilt. Again, that's $30 off Dark Horse Man-O-War sprocket. Our next kit that I'm going to review here is going to be our CSR rocker box kit. This is for twin cams. It consists of the S&S roller rocker arms, the S&S rocker pins, so you're going to want to replace the pins. They are stronger than factory, so if you're going to do those arms, replace those pins. Our CSR vents, they're lighter and stronger than the factory. And we also have some CSR rocker stands that I don't have in stock here. They're all in our Florida shop, so I can't show you that, but you can see it on our website. It is included as part of the kit. If you do use the S&S roller rockers, you may have to do some clearancing on your lids to make room for those. Just FYI on that. That kit is running $50 off. Again, that's for twin cam. We're offering also a similar kit for the Milwaukee 8s. This kit is going to consist of, it's called their Guardian kit. It does have the S&S roller rocker arms, just like the twin cam. It's got the rocker arm stud kit. Head bolts are in there also. These are 200,000 PSI tensile strength, so we do recommend replacing your head bolts when you do this upgrade, as well as the S&S rocker box pins. If you're going to do work to your heads, make sure the builder sets up your rocker boxes for the S&S roller rocker arms. If you're going to be doing that install, all of our big bore kits already come set up for the S&S M8 roller rocker arms. All right, we're getting close to the end here. I've got the Recluse products that's part of our sale. We've got a couple clutch options that they make here. They offer a torque drive clutch, which is just like the manual. It's a manual clutch, just like your factory. It functions the same. However, it is a high horsepower clutch, so it puts more power to the ground, as well as they also offer an automatic clutch. So what this automatic clutch does is it allows you to just use throttle and go when you're in lower gears. Great for someone that lives in the city with a lot of stop and go traffic. If you've ever been on Main Street during Daytona, it's a fantastic upgrade where you don't have to hold your clutch in. As well, if you got long stoplights like we do in Florida. Just allows you to sit there with your clutch out, in gear, and then just throttle and go. Our final product is going to be the D&D exhaust. We're running that at $75 off. D&D offers several baffle options to help tailor the sound so you can get the sound that you're looking for. It's already set up for a ThunderMax Auto Tune, so it comes with both narrow and wideband O2 ports in the correct position, so you can run those auto tunes if you would like. I would like to mention we do have one of the largest inventory of performance products. However, we do anticipate a large amount of sales over the holiday weekend. If we do sell out of a product, we will ship it to you in as timely of a manner as we possibly can. Well, there you have it. That's our 2021 Black Friday sales.
And remember, guys, with the uncertainty on where manufacturing is going in the very near future, right now is hands down the time to buy to lock that price in. I want to say thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one.